Hello everyone and welcome to another video of learning the cursive writing of the lowercase letters. So in this video we are going to write a unique letter that's not going to use any loops, but we're going to use the upper zone and the middle zone and the lower zone too. So this is the letter P. So this is a print form of writing the letter P. So while writing P, this is what I was taught to write the letter P like the loop on top. It is fancy. It makes me remind me of the letter B, and it's complicated too. So I prefer writing P like this with a small line that goes up and then a small loop at the bottom. That's the way I like to write. But if you feel like you want to add a little drama to your writing, you can make a little loop on top for the letter P. So to make this letter look more appealing, this part, see, that's the most important one. So when we write the letter P, we write it like this. It's a curve. Do not do that curve. Make a bow shape. That's what makes this one really beautiful. So let's practice this or this. You can go with any one of these. But the most important one is the middle part of the letter P. Okay, like this. Just like a question mark. Okay, bring it down here and make a loop. That's it. That's how you write the letter P. So I'm just going to teach you both the types 1 and 2. Make sure you touch all the 3 lines, all the 4 lines while practicing this letter. Start from the baseline, bring it up, retrace it till you reach the base. Do not do it straight. Always remember, whenever you go up slanting, bring the line slanting backward to get the right slant. Then retrace it up and form a loop. And that's how you write the letter P. And if you want to go with that little loop on top, make a loop, bring it down, retrace it up again like the butterfly shape wing, and then a loop at the bottom with a little wave. That's how you write the letter P. So some prefer writing P like this. This is absolutely fine, but for a cursive writing, you need that extra line that goes up. Okay, or you can go extend it up higher too, but make sure you do something on the upper zone. So that's the letter P. Let's practice it again. So letter P is like the purpose of life. You don't argue, you have a peaceful life. That's it. So the letter P, again backward, retrace it up, and then like this. Make sure you don't form any loops like that. See, like this or like this. Practice slowly so that you retrace and bring it up. Okay, so this is the first type of P. When you want to do a looped one, go like this, a loop, and that's how you write the letter P. This looks tall and big, but that's fine. If you choose this, you can go ahead. So whenever you're writing the letter P, remember how to do it and focus and practice on this letter. That's it. That's how you write the letter P. So this letter is completely different from the rest of the letters that we have learned. And yeah, that's all about it. Keep practicing. And about this little space, it's okay if you leave some space. Okay, make sure that it doesn't go beyond the middle part of the middle zone. Not like this. I've already talked about it. Don't do that. Okay, you need to plan how you write the letter P. That's it. So practice this letter and we'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.